Following several accidents that claimed lives at Enziu Seasonal River in Kitui County, notably the December 2021 incident of a school bus that killed over 30 passengers on board, the government embarked on the construction of a bridge to avert future disaster during the rainy season. The government set aside 600 million shillings for construction of the Enziu bridge. Speaking when he led Eastern Region Development and Coordination Committee, Eastern Regional Commissioner Evans Achoki expressed his dissatisfaction with the pace at which the contractor is doing the construction work.
The bridge, we have expressed our dissatisfaction with the pace at which the contractor is moving. And the contractor has assured us that he will replan his work, and he would be able, in the next 3 months, we should see structures coming up. And so that is what we have agreed with him at the site.
He also noted that Nguninu Road has since tolled 10 kilometers before New Market, saying he will follow up with payments.
We're going to have a meeting there with Kenha and the traffic department to see what mitigative measures can be put in place so that we do not have more accidents on this highway. On the same note, I would like to caution this road to be very careful when they are driving and not to overspeed.